Alright, I'm going to do just a very quick update to our video from yesterday. Bitcoin did fail to break out of this wedge. We can see that we rejected off of the 618 and this macro trend line. We have not touched this trend line since April. Alright, so it is a high time frame trend line. It's really important. So, of course we broke through this one, so maybe people were getting bullish, right? But then this one is the one where we failed and rejected off of, along with the 618. This is a really nice resistance zone, and although I would have preferred to have tapped the monthly, this is a very fair rejection to happen. Okay, this is, I would say, an okay enough rejection to get us this continuation downwards here to our eventual swing failure pattern that we were looking at from the get-go. Okay, and I want to show you this too, because I know we talked about we were taking a look at why isn't this coming up here? We were taking a look at DXY. So here is DXY and BTC side by side. I'm going to put us on the 4-hour here. I think that this will be really key. So we can see here, BTC is down here, DXY is at the top, just to show you how strong this inverse relationship is. BTC is pumping while DXY dumps. Okay, and then look right here, right on this 4-hour candle, we get a massive pump on DXY and a massive dump on BTC. Right, so this has a really great inverse relationship here. I would be looking for continuation downwards, like I said, to get that swing failure below our current low at 17.5K. Let's just take a look at DXY now on its own. We can see DXY here. Like I said yesterday, DXY throughout its entire uptrend, it either bounces at the 382 or at the 618. And because we lost the 382 yesterday, I was looking for lower. However, it looks like in this case we are seeing a deviation, and now DXY will continue its uptrend to some degree. Maybe we'll have possibly a back test or some sort of market structure forming here, but ultimately I am going to be looking for now DXY's next leg up, which when I was looking for it to bounce at the 382, I'm looking for its next move to be to about 113, which is untapped weekly level there. Depending on how we react around this 110 area, if we decide to consolidate here, or if we do break through and continue upwards to that weekly, which in the case of BTC, then we would of course be looking for some degree of continuation downwards. But like I said yesterday, DXY's effect on BTC is diminishing, and we can take a very brief look at that. Go on to our daily time frame here and zoom out. Just go like this here. So we can see for BTC starting up here. Here we'll zoom in just a little bit more. Zoom in here. So as BTC started here, and we were getting our move down, we can see DXY is getting its uptrend. But as it continues upwards, BTC is falling less and less, right? So it's having diminishing effects on BTC. Now the last thing I want to take a look at is ES1. Yesterday we had talked about ES1. And what we had looked at, I can pull up my brush strokes here. We were looking at doing something like this. Getting, maybe a little bit of a move up. Here we'll go down to an hourly time frame. Getting some degree of a move up, or consolidating here, then getting our move down. And in fact, we actually just simply rejected from this weekly level like we were looking for. I was expecting maybe a little bit of consolidation or something, but instead, we just got this massive rejection at the CPI data release. And at this point, I would say you know, I'm just looking to maybe come back to this channel here. Once again, I'm putting another low. But we'll have to wait and see how we react to this area here, which could act as support, and then this daily as well. But more or less, I would be looking down here. Like I said, I don't really see DXY stopping with where it's at. And again, get rid of all this here. And then over here, we'll throw on DXY. Yeah, so again, here we can see that same inverse relationship, right? DXY came up on resistance, and ES1 came up on support, so it pumped up. And now, you know, this failed auction here below the 382, we are going to get our pump up here and a rejection at the weekly level on ES1. So it's a very similar story to BTC. So like I said, as ES1 does continue its path up, I will be looking for a rejection on ES1 as well as BTC.